Hey everybody, it's Gary here, live in the AI Wellness Universe. Today we are looking at the funnel builder. And we go right here, ultra fast funnels. And you come down here, you can create funnel manually or create funnel using AI. We're going to go AI for this. And you can enter text, image, or website. I'm gonna go with the website. Business name. Skillful weight loss. Yes. skillfulweightloss.com. Weight loss without buttons. Oops. Fix that. Next. Then you can choose your template. Normally we use this third one. I'm going to try this one, do something different today. So we'll try this template, see how that goes. So this can take up to 5 minutes and it usually takes longer when we're on Zoom. I noticed it's taken like up to like 10 minutes. So we'll do a little pause here and come back to it. All right. See you in a minute. All right. We are back. Let's check it out. There you go. Now you can go here. Here's your funnel built out, and then you can edit. Okay, so the AI picks, creates images for you. So you might want to change the images out. You can change the wording. Stop starving yourself. Shed pounds sustainably. Pretty cool. Looks pretty good. You can come in here and edit, change these pictures, make them fit better. But you got the basic foundation built out for you. So looks pretty good, actually. I like it. Call to action buttons, purchase, testimonials, information, after FAQs, all AEO optimized, so you can be found by AI searches. And on the right here is where you do all the editing, so you can change the size of the columns, the rows, um, and the words, everything on here basically you can edit and change out. So this is pretty cool. It's pretty quick. Actually happened less than 5 minutes this time, which was amazing. And Christine will go into more detail on the live training today to get you really locked in. So hope this helps. Thanks, everybody. Take care.